What's the meaning of aristocrat? Aristocrat. Aristocrat.
Aristocrat. Aristocrat. An aristocrat is a member of the highest social class in a society, typically consisting of people with noble titles such as duke, earl, or viscount. Historically, aristocrats have held power and wealth in societies, often passing their privileges down through generations. They have been associated with privilege, luxury, and a lifestyle far removed from that of the common people. Today, while aristocracy still exists in some countries, it has largely been replaced by democratically elected governments. The term aristocrat can also be used to describe someone who displays qualities of refinement and cultural sophistication.